So these are some sort of flower that's come to bloom. Oh, look at birds over there, it's hungry. You're trying to tell me they're hungry. That's not a subtle hello. I don't know what this is, but this one. The magpies like this one. I don't know what kind of tree it is. It didn't do very well. It was sort of stripped of its leaves, and I'm not sure whether it'll actually grow. You can't feed your buds today. Look at that. Another one's come along. They can't be fed today because someone else is here. Oh, so sad. You can't eat for a day. Oh, so hungry. Look at that. Its little crest is up. It must be feeling happy until it has no food. Oh, so sad. Nothing to eat. No, nothing to eat. Birds are funny. I'm taking a look at this garden. Silver beet. Lettuces. These are tomatoes, which are huge. I don't know what that is. It's tomato. What's a tomato? It's a bit of spring onion. Some silver beet. Spinach. Yeah, spinach is pretty abundant here. Ooh. Lots of flowers. I think these are no, they're not baby's flowers, they're just flowers. Oh, I tried something to eat. These ones, they're not paper flowers, they're just some sort of daisy, I guess. I don't know what kind of bush this is. I'm looking for like the fruit on the bush, but I'm not actually seeing the fruit seeds or anything. These are poppies? No. Dahlia? No, I don't know. I don't know what they are, but something. Nice and flowery. Doing better than my flowers, which aren't actually growing very well at all. I wonder if I can sneak some food to these little birds. The other person's having a shower, possibly. Look at that, sitting over there waiting some food.